Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change the thermal mode on your Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To do that, you'll need to access the BIOS menu on your laptop. First, shut down your laptop completely. Then short press the power button once, and while your device is launching, repeatedly click the F2 key until you see this dashboard on your screen. After that, you'll need to enable the advanced setup by switching this toggle on. Then go to Power on the sidebar, and in the Power menu, scroll down to the Thermal Management menu. Here, we have 4 different modes: Balanced, Battery, Quiet, or Performance. Select the mode that you want to use. Then, to apply changes, click Apply Changes at the bottom, then click OK. To exit, you can either click Exit in the bottom right corner, or press the Escape key on your keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing. Leave us a like in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.